welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. Chef Carlton here, guys, and today I'm making some crab biscuits for you guys. So look at that, guys. I just break it in, nice, evenly cooked all the way through. Oh yeah, this one definitely hit, guys. Nice crab biscuits. I'm gonna share this recipe with you guys right now. All right, guys, today I'm gonna be making some crab biscuits for you guys. So I got some nice crab meat, some milk, some flour, and I got some Old Bay, some liquid butter, and some whole butter, cheese, and some fresh parsley for garnish. All right, let's get into it, guys. I can't wait for this one. I'm just going to portion the rest of my ingredients. I already started portioning some. I'm going to portion everything else. Then I'm going to get going. Welcome back, guys. This is everybody all portioned out and prepped, ready to go. All right, let's get mixing, guys. These are going to be some nice, tasty biscuits. All right, guys, we're going to start with our flour. Got our crab. All right, baking powder. Add a bit of other sugar. We're gonna go ahead and add in our Old Bay. Tip of salt. Some cheese. We're going to go ahead and give it a quick mix, quick fold. And we're going to add a couple cubes of the butter, cold butter. Make sure your butter is cold. When you make biscuits, that helps when your butter is in cubes and is cold. Gonna add a pinch of the parsley. I'm gonna keep back some of the parsley for later on. I'm gonna go with and we're just gonna, you could even put away the spatula and get in there with your hands and just start molding everything together. With the butter, you could feel the butter cubes. Yeah, you wanna just get everybody incorporated. Alright, now we're going to go ahead, guys, and you could already smell the crab and the flour and everybody coming together. Now we're going to go ahead and add some of our milk. This is whole milk, guys. Alright, get the thumb and just give it a quick mix. Now you're going to start seeing that color comes together. Smell that Old Bay. All right. Just gonna give it a quick mold. Come together. See all the components. You see the crab meat, you see the cheese, you see the butter. Just keep playing with your dough until you get everything all incorporated. We need a little bit more milk, but not yet. All right, let's go ahead and add a little bit more milk now. Just a splash. All right, and that will help us to get everybody fully incorporated. See that? Pot's almost clean. Alright. Alright, guys, this is what you're looking for. Now that you got your dough all ready, we're going to go ahead and make our biscuits, but we're going to get a baking tray, some wax paper, our non-stick. Go ahead and sprinkle some of the butter. This is just butter so it don't stick. Alrighty, then now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna mix our parsley and our butter. Give it a quick mix. We're just gonna coat each biscuit when we make them with that. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna use our hands and grab this much. You can use a scoop if you want to get them perfect, the same size, but I'm just going a general overview of how to make biscuits, guys. I don't care for the size. Just roll them into a ball. Try and get them nice shape like that. Boom. Alright, now that we're where we need to be, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and get our parsley and butter. Just alright guys, these are ready to go in. You're going to preheat your oven to 450 degrees and we're going to bake these for 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, I'll see you when they're ready. Alright guys, look at that. Now your biscuits are ready.